Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloom Enchantix in Zunix Club. To begin, you must first possess Bloom's Charmix power. Your next step is to find the special in-game portal that initiates the Enchantix mission. This quest will guide you through various areas, so be ready for some exciting exploration and interactions with other characters to progress. The Enchantix quest for Bloom involves a series of detailed steps. You will need to carefully follow the on-screen quest markers, which will lead you through several unique locations within Zunix Club. Along the way, interact with various characters who provide crucial instructions and tasks. Successfully completing these challenges is essential to advancing towards your powerful new form. A key part of earning Bloom's Enchantix is gathering resources. You will need to collect 3,000 in-game coins, often found scattered throughout the game world or earned by completing other activities. Be prepared for small challenges or puzzles that might appear. Once you have the coins and complete the quest, purchase the Enchantix, then simply rejoin the game to activate Bloom's powerful new form. After rejoining the game, Bloom's Enchantix will be readily available. You can access this stunning new transformation through your character's power menu. Prepare to be amazed by the beautiful visual effects and the significantly enhanced abilities that come with this form. With Bloom's full Enchantix power, you are now ready to explore Zunix Club with even greater strength and magical prowess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.